What is that one idea, one concept which got totally reversed in our minds? And if it can be changed the way it should be, it can change our lives dramatically. We humans think that we are human beings who are aspiring to have a spiritual experience at some point of time in their life. Now, this is where the whole idea got skewed up. We are not human beings, we are spiritual beings who are having a human experience. Now, what does it change? It changes everything. When we say we are human beings, we are essentially talking about our physicality, our physical structure, our mental structure, the way we are living on this planet, the way we are surviving on this planet. And since we are attached to this physical and mental structure, the identity created by these two structures, we essentially go on protecting this identity. It's more like a survival game which we are playing all the time, and that's where we are stuck. But when we think, I guess it's not about thinking also, it's more about understanding, more about knowing. When we know that we are not this body, we are not this mind, we are somewhere beyond these two structures, we operate from a different perspective. When we operate from that perspective, we understand that these are the tools given to us. In that case, we operate these tools more effectively, more efficiently. And just in case something goes wrong, you tend to go back to your original self and see it from a distance and say, that's okay. This has not gone the way it should be. It has not gone in the right direction, but that's okay. I have a choice. I can change the direction. I can go in the direction I want. It's more like owning a car. You own a car, you drive a car, you can take it to any direction you want. It's a wonderful tool, but you are not the car. Just in case your car is running out of fuel, an indicator is showing beep, beep, beep. You don't take a hammer and break the indicator, or you don't even try to fix the indicator in any way. You understand, the car is running out of fuel, you take it to the gas station and refuel your car. But you don't do the same when your body or your mind is showing an indicator. Mostly, you go on fixing the indicator. The moment you understand this, you create a distance between you and your body, between you and your mind. And then you operate these wonderful tools in a more efficient and effective way. Change one concept in your life and change your life dramatically. We are spiritual beings having a human experience and not vice versa. Thank you for watching this. Have a great day, great life, and namaste.